straight out of Kings County. No doubt in my mind, and the reason being is, now this is a story all about dust, roof chops, bondo, and ignoring rust. And I like to take an hour, just hang right in. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Cannon in Kingsport, Nova Scotia. Born and raised in detention is where I spent most of my days. Drinking, driving, stealing, acting like a fool, trying to play ice hockey outside of the school. When a couple of guys who were up to no good started building cars in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and I got scared, so I ran to Cannon and started drinking beers. I worked in my garage, I was hardly seen until I fell in love with the girl called Jolene. I told her I could build a Bugatti Atlantic. 9 years later and it's looking fantastic. Another 9 years and it should be done. Too late now, Jolene's run. The Discovery Channel gave me a show, but all the cars I built, they don't go. I love Gene Winfield, George Barris, Ed Rock. Idle hands are the devil's bra. I got a mind full of dreams and a shed full of hope, but Jolene left and I'm trying to cope. Got my fanboys commenting on everything said. Malcolm and that Bud Liquor Bruce with
I'm trying to make content that people watch. Only getting famous for the cars I botch. I hear grinding, doing my best. Take what you like, throw away the rest. Trying to make content that people watch. Only getting famous for the cars I botch. I hear grinding, doing my best. Take what you like, throw away the rest. Gotta keep going, keep on sanding, to sit on my throne as the Prince of Cannon. Gotta keep going, keep on sanding, to sit on my throne as the Prince of Cannon.
Built a green goblin, it got me showing. Took a 62 Newport Bondo flowing. The bad out of hell really wasn't a hit. Take a look at my shed, it's full of shit. Now I got Emily doing her best. I keep her flirting, looking at her chest. Cash money's here, I don't pay him a penny. Probably gonna leave on a shrimp boat, Jenny. If you take what you like and throw away the rest, at the end of the day, there's not much left.
I'm trying to make content that people watch. Only getting famous for the cars I botch. Out here grinding, doing my best. Take what you like, throw away the rest. Trying to make content that people watch. Only getting famous for the cars I botch. Out here grinding, doing my best. Take what you like, throw away the rest.
Dave King Diggs got a nice caboose. I wish I could build cars like Chip Foose. Killer Customs come around to say hi. I put a fluffy seat on my son's motorbike. Can't understand why all the hate, trying to show cash how to make a square template. I could've just used the metal I cut. Don't forget I showed Colton's friend my butt. Gotta keep going, don't keep on standing. Gotta keep going, keep going.
Gotta keep going, keep on standing, to sit on my throne as the Prince of Cannon. Gotta keep going, keep on standing, to sit on my throne as the Prince of Cannon. Gotta keep going, keep on standing, to sit on my throne as the Prince of Cannon. Gotta keep going, keep on standing, to sit on my throne as the Prince of Cannon.